Hello my all spectator friends. First of all, happy Holi to all of you. As you already know, today is Holi. So on the auspicious occasion of Holi, today I am making a very beautiful videos, very important videos for us speaking English, right? So without delay, now let's start discuss this class. So today I'll tell you means what is the most important things for us speaking English, right? Definitely, if you will implement these points, one day you will definitely speak English very fluently. If you are a beginner, then this video is a life changing for you. So without delay, now let's start discuss this class. So first point means you believe in yourself, right? Means our Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, you believe in yourself, whatever you can achieve, you can achieve. So if you want to achieve big goal in your life, it doesn't matter, means you can achieve. And number two, keep repeating yourself, I can speak English without hesitations. I can speak English very confidently. You have to tell every single moment of your time. Believe me, when you will tell, then it will give you motivations, and that motivation will push you for learning this language. And number third means don't afraid to speak English, right? For example, in this time, if you are learning English, then everyone afraid to speak this language because they think that when I will speak English, if I'll do wrong, if I'll do grammatically wrong, if my word will not give, then what I will do, if people will laugh at me, then what I will do. Means there are too many things that they are afraid a lot. Because of that, I want to tell you, means never afraid. Yes, when you started walking, in that time, you don't know, in your childhood you fall down many times, but you don't afraid, right? You never afraid, you fall down and again you got up. How it happened? Because this is the process. You will fall down, again you have to wake up. For example, when you started walking, in that time, if you fall down in one time and if you stopped, what would be happen? Definitely it was you were not able to walk, right? Because of that you fall down many times, but still you got up, and in this time you can walk very easily, you can run very easily. Similarly, when you will speak English, initial time you will do lots of mistake, and believe me, if you will do mistake, but if you will keep learning, if you will never afraid, right, one day you will speak English very confidently in front of everyone. And number four means it doesn't matter what people think of you, but it does matter what you think of yourself, right? When you will learning English, in that time, everyone will come with you and they will tell you, they will demotivate you. English speaking is not your cup of tea, right? So never listen to them, because you already know, if I was a Hindi medium student, I never went any English medium school. So if I can speak English, so you can also speak English, right? This is a very easy for everyone. And number fifth, this is the very, very important. You must keep in your mind this point, right? Be patient. Because patience is bitter, but their fruit is always sweet. Means if you are learning English, you will get demotivated after 15 days, after 1 month. You will think, yeah, why I am not able to speak English? Why someone is, when you will see other person, they are speaking English very fluently, and you will get demotivated. Yeah, I will not improve this language. I think this is not cup of tea. This is not my cup of tea. I will fail. I think I'm not. You will think that I'm not gonna improve this language. Don't think like this. It will take time. It took time for me, it took time for everyone. You can ask to everyone that when you learn this language, it took time, otherwise you improve within 15 days, within 1 month. No one will tell this thing, right? No one will tell. Believe me, everyone will tell. It will definitely take 3 months at least. If you will take an example of a small child, in 1 year he took for only listening, and with the help of listening, after that they started speak some means words, right? Mama, papa, like this. And after that, after 1 year, 2 years, they started means on mother tongue. How it happened? Because of power of listening, right? That's why I want to tell you, you give time, be patient, have courage, means show your courage, show your confidence. Yes, I will speak English, I can speak English, right? And believe me, if you will implement these 5 things, one day you will speak English very confidently. Everything I am telling you, this is my personal experience, right? That's why you have to follow this. And believe me, I am so much grateful to all of you. I think you are improving your English language. You are watching my videos, right? And lastly, means I pray to God, means one day you will definitely speak English so confidently.